Hello everyone, PallyTime here with TGN.TV. This is the continuation of my Walking Dead, the video game playthrough. In the last video, we had some unfortunate deaths in our crew, and we eventually ran into this roadblock, which was this crashed train, and we found out it's at least partially operational. But we have some things to do to it first. Number one, we need to figure out how to drive it. Number two, that last car on the end is still bolted in, and it's derailed so it can't move. And of course, let's not forget Duck over here, who was bitten. Alright.
We found a notebook that we think might have had some starter directions on it, but the page is missing.
Well, I'm sure you guys will figure it out.
Oh yeah, we need to do that too. We're gonna get Clementine to do that.
There's a notepad on the train. Do you have any pencils or anything in your pack?
No, I wish. Maybe in the RV. What do you need it for?
There used to be something written on the notepad that I need to know about.
Well, if you're not using it, I'd take it. I'm out of paper, and there's all sorts of new leaves around here.
That was your clue. Alright, let's go check out the RV. We're looking for a heavy object that we could, I think, break metal with, and we're also looking for a pencil now. Let's see what we can find. Oh, no, don't leave. Go back in. Go back in, Lee. Go back in the RV. There's a pencil. Is that all? Is that all we can find in here? It's kind of looking like it. Nothing else we can pick up. No heavy objects. Just a pencil. Alright. Well, that's a weird camera transition. Alright, let's go figure out those instructions. There is a zombie in the car down on the other side of this, Oh, I forgot what the lead car in a train is. Guys, tell me in the comments. What is the lead car in a train? There's a zombie outside, as you can hear. So let's go ahead and use the pencil on these instructions.
Perfect.
You can read it now?
Yeah, should be able to just follow the steps to get the engine on.
Sounds good.
Sounds damn good. I don't understand the instructions, though. Okay. Okay, so how do I look at the paper? I want to look at the paper again. I would like to look at the paper again. How do I look at the paper again? Resume game. Fucking Lee, look at the paper. I'm pressing every button on this controller. Don't make me use my mouse. I can't even select it with my mouse. Oh, okay, we can look at it here. So on 6, it's 2 lights on the bottom, 2 lights up top, and then alternating up, down, up. So that's down, top, top, and then... God, zombie, shut up! I'll come down there and I'll kill you after we're ready to go.
Son of a bitch! Whatever you did lit the dash up.
So far, so good.
Alright. Let's look at our paper again. On 5, we need horizontal and then vertical. Where's 5? 5. Horizontal, then vertical. Got it.
We're talking.
Got it going. Got it going. Alright. On 9, we need to turn it to the left. And then to the right. On 9. Where's 9? Or was it 7? Am I stupid? Might be stupid. Or was 9 out here? I think 9 was out here on the side. Alright. Making progress. Left. And then right. Oh, that is a beautiful noise.
Holy
Train is
shit,
working.
We're golden.
Yeah, we are.
This thing is loud.
So what? We're barreling down the tracks at 40 miles an hour. I don't care about the noise. Let's fucking enjoy this. Mom, let's see if she'll move.
She won't move because the cart's stuck on it. Oh, I can't even open any more of those cabinets.
It's all yours.
She's not gonna move. I'm telling you right now. Damn it.
Damn it. Of course. We're still attached. Can you go find out where we're stuck? Get us unstuck?
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if that force is what we needed. I think it may have been. So let's go try to use our tool now. Hopefully it'll just work and we won't have to do any more dicking around. Nope, use a wrench. Hey!
There. Hey, Kenny, we're loose.
Nice. Alright, let's go get everyone on board. Wait, what's going on?
You touch any of my stuff?
Oh, shit. I didn't take anything. I took the map of the train routes.
I took the map of the train routes.
That's fine. You can have that.
Really?
Yeah. I got them all right up here. I guess it's no worse for wear. Name's Chuck. Charles, if you fancy.
Lee.
That your crew outside?
Yeah.
And the guy up in the cab?
Him too.
I saw you walking through here and thought about scaring the pants off you.
What?
But I couldn't force myself to do it.
It's still kind of freaking me out.
Train folk will do that. Already met everyone outside. They all warmed to me right quick in direct sunlight.
I like this guy already. Clementine, don't talk to strangers.
That's Chuck.
Yeah, I did.
It's so nice to meet someone normal for a change.
He gave us candy. Ben, too.
That kid's awesome. Welcome.
Thank you.
You met Kenny?
Sure did. Man shares my love of the road.
That's for certain.
I'm awful sorry your son's not feeling good.
I appreciate your concern.
Well, with a little TLC, I'm sure he'll be fit as a fiddle in no time. And I can offer y'all whatever I got, although it ain't much.
Thank you. We'd like to do the same.
Why don't we hold off on...
Stay with us. We'd like the company.
Why aren't we just leaving, like Clementine?
Hey, sweet pea. That candy Chuck gave you. It taste okay?
It was really good.
No funny aftertaste?
No.
It's good that he
Train's
didn't drug
cool,
you.
huh?
I guess. Scary, kind of.
How you doing, Ben?
I'm watching the girls and not working on a mega cool train. What do you think?
Hey, Chuck,
Howdy.
Where are you from?
where you from? You live around here?
Georgia boy. You saw where I live.
Why are you alone?
Why not? Seem to be doing all right.
Fine, then.
I'm sorry. I do like being around y'all, actually. It's nice.
You caught us on a bad day.
You still got a couple of kids, and this one's got a good spirit.
No funny business, asshole.
That's some kind of something.
I'll talk to you later.
Hope so.
I better get back to it.
Kneel down in front of her. I guess I'll be leaving now. What a great conversation we just had.
So that's it? We're cut loose?
Yes.
Seems that way, yeah.
Great. We don't got much left, so just gather whatever you have. Let's go. Want to ride?
Well, it sounds like you're taking my home.
That's a yes, then?
Haven't found anything better for keeping the creepy crawlies out than that boxcar.
Duck's sick.
Get on the train, Clementine.
Don't you look at her like that.
He's getting sicker.
Let me look at him.
We can't ignore this.
We can't ignore this. Look at the kid, Kenny. This is happening.
Ain't shit happening. And if it were, what can we do here? We get on the train and we find something better. That is the plan.
I think Lee just wants to talk it through.
It's talked through. Get on, Kent. I'll be up front. I don't want to hear any nonsense until we get where we're going.
Oh, this isn't good. This isn't good. It's not good at all. I wonder if I should have got those crackers. I mean, we're leaving anyway. Oh, he's not looking very good at all. And his mom's just sitting there holding him. I don't disagree with that. I would be doing the same thing if my kid was dying, but she's gonna get bit right in the neck first thing. First fucking thing. Clementine, we need to find you something to do, girl.
It gotta be hard on you, eh? 3 adults taking care of 3 kids. No disrespect, son.
There were more of us.
There were more of us.
Dad get him?
Yes.
Oh, it's a shame.
I'm just gonna say yeah.
Lee! Lee, I need you right now. I need you to go get Ken.
What's
Will you get that off his face? My hands are full here. Thank you. Could you just get that off his face, please?
This isn't good. This isn't good. This isn't good. This isn't good.
He's out of time. We need to stop this train.
okay?
Please.
Kenny, your son's dying. He's gonna turn into a zombie, and you don't seem to understand the gravity of the situation. It's a big deal, Kenny.
You need to stop the train.
But I have to do it. Wait, where were the brakes? They were that orange light.
Kenny.
What?
Ken.
What the hell's that?
Your son's blood.
Get out of here, Lee.
You know he's dying.
Nobody knows shit. He'll be fine.
Sorry.
Sorry. I shouldn't talk like that right now.
Go back there and tell my wife everything will be fine. What is the goddamn deal? He's a little sick, but we can't just quit. It's a scratch. He's not like the others. Jesus, all y'all are just making it worse.
Kenny.
This isn't about Duck.
It's not about my son dying. What the hell do you know? You're not my friend.
I don't hate you.
You sure as shit haven't done anything for me.
You think you're the reason Duck was bitten? Like you had this coming or something? You didn't kill Herschel's son.
Yes, I did. And now it's catching up to me.
That's not what went down. You looked out for your kid, and a bad thing happened to someone else's.
There ain't no way this world lets my son live when I help put someone else's in the ground.
That's not the way it works. You know that. Stop the train, man.
I didn't like Duck much, but I didn't want him to die.
The boy's been bit, in case you haven't figured that out.
What do you need? Katja.
It's time to... Oh, this is not possible.
What are we gonna do?
We can't allow him to become one of those things.
But what if he doesn't?
Kenny, I love you very much. I love our son more than life itself. I need you to hear me. What you are saying, that he may not turn, is foolish.
But
No.
there's... Come on, Kat.
If you think of one, you let me know.
Isn't there some sort of pill or something we can just give him?
Stop it.
Just drift off to sleep. Right, hun? I mean, Jesus, this is our son.
I know, but we know it's here or nothing.
Fuck. Just who, then? You want me to?
You don't have to.
I'll do it.
No, you don't have to.
God, you fuck. I can. I can do this.
You can't. I love you, Ken, but this is beyond you.
I'll do it.
No, it should be apparent.
No parent should have to do something like this.
Lee's right, Kat. We can say our goodbyes and just let that be it.
I don't know. Lee, you'd be doing this family a great service. Why don't we take him into the forest, so Clementine doesn't have to see?
Yeah.
Give us a moment to say goodbye.
Of course.
Wow. Oh, wow.
What's happening?
Duck is dying.
I know. What are you doing?
I'm gonna make sure he's okay.
But how? He's bitten.
By making sure he doesn't come back.
Oh.
Look, Clem, things are... What the?
What?
Ben, take Clementine into the train. Go. It'll be fine.
What's going on? What's going on? What the fuck happened, Kenny? She killed her. Oh no.
Cat! Gotcha!
No.
Why?
Oh my god.
Oh, fucking God.
Oh my God.
I...
Kenny? Don't do anything you shouldn't be doing.
What do we do? Give me the gun, kid. I'll do it.
Holy shit. Alright. Holy shit. I couldn't even imagine what's going through Kenny's head. Oh my God. Wow.
You want to talk? You understand what happened?
Yes.
Okay. What are you thinking about?
What Chuck said.
What Chuck say?
That what happened to Duck would happen to me.
The fuck
What?
he did?
Swear.
Sorry. You took some sense into it.
Don't be mad.
No. Hey. You don't talk like that to fucking Clementine.
Hey.
How you doing?
I don't care what reasons you had for doing it. No reason to go and tell my girl she's gonna end up dead.
'Cause she is. I don't know much about you folks, but I can tell you as sure as the sun's gonna come up tomorrow. Y'all keep going on like this, and that girl ain't gonna make it.
What do you know?
I know that you don't have a goddamn plan. We get to Savannah, and then what?
We do what's best for Clementine.
Oh, well then, you do have it all figured out. Never mind. Look, sit down with the girl and hash it out. Find a map, for Christ's sake. I'd give you one if I had it. And if something were to happen to you...
It won't.
if it were, you gotta prepare the girl. Teach her to use a weapon, and for crime, and he cut that hair.
She's a little girl.
And she'll die a little girl if you treat her like one. You gotta consider her a living person. That's it. You're either living or you're not. You ain't little, you ain't a girl, you ain't a boy. You ain't strong or smart. You're alive. Look at her hair. You got her running around with a mop that's gonna act like Velcro to any hand swinging its way. Find some scissors in my pack and take care of that hair before a walker does it for you. And then show her how to use a gun. Because like it or not, that's what saves your life from here on out. I don't mean to tell you how to do your job, but too many people have died already.
They have.
And seeing another little girl die might just do me in.
I hear you. A plan, a haircut, and a gun. It's good advice.
It's something.
It's good advice, but you do not tell a little girl who just lost her best fucking friend in the whole world that she's gonna end up just like him. I don't give a shit how good your advice is. You don't tell that to Clementine. That is fucked up. That is fucked up.
You have any family?
Out there, somewhere. Been sort of on my own for the past, 14 years now.
Sorry to hear that.
No one to blame.
Where are you headed?
That way?
I mean when we get to Savannah.
Got a few ideas. We'll have a talk when we get there about whether or not you folks want company.
You're homeless then?
Suppose. I've had homes here and there, and they just don't work out. I like a drink, you know?
Yeah.
Got any?
No.
Darn.
So he's a booze lover.
I shot the kid, you know.
I suppose someone had to.
What a mess.
You said it.
Be safe up here.
You betcha.
Alright. Well, let's go ahead and head back inside.
Mind if I get by you for a second, Kitty?
Can you just leave me alone?
Hey.
Hey. It'll be good to get to the water.
Are there any maps up here?
I don't know.
I just want to look over one with Clem so she has a lay of the land once we get to Savannah. You mind if I look in there for a second?
I really wish you'd just leave me alone.
Alright. It's not important. We'll worry about it later. Okay, Kenny? We'll worry about it later.
Hey, Ben.
Hey.
Carly didn't have to die, you know.
She would have killed me instead.
Yeah, maybe. Aren't many of us left.
Yeah. You, me, and Kenny. Clementine. The homeless dude if he sticks around.
We're all homeless.
You know what I mean.
There's not much use in describing people by who they were.
Yeah. Guess not.
See you.
Yeah.
We're really starting to dwindle in numbers. We started out with such a big group, with such hope.
I hope we're not on this train much longer. Looks like Chuck has some booze left. It's a fifth of whiskey. He's lived here a while.
Let's see if we can cut Clem's hair.
look clean enough. Hey, Clint.
Did you talk to him?
I did. He had some, he explained himself and made some good points. Look, we're not gonna let anything bad happen to you, but there are some precautions we have to take.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Don't worry, sweetheart.
Okay. What should we do?
Well, we're gonna figure out a plan for when we get to Savannah. Teach you how to protect yourself and, tidy up a little, so you can't get grabbed so easily.
I'd like that.
Good.
What do you think about Chuck, Clementine?
What do you think about Chuck?
I don't know.
Me neither. He might be an okay guy, though.
You think?
We'll keep an open mind about him. He's probably had it pretty rough. What a crappy day.
The crappiest.
If 3 months ago I'd known what you'd be seeing, I don't know if I would have taken you with me.
I probably would have run out of food.
You're damn near starved with me.
I'm glad I came with you.
I'm glad you did too, Clem.
You need to know how to protect yourself.
Like hiding or running away? Got it.
I mean with one of these. First, don't be afraid of it. It's just a thing. Take it. But know where your finger is all the time. And don't put it on the trigger unless you want to hurt somebody.
Okay. Okay.
See? It's not scary.
It's heavy.
You'll get stronger. To aim, you look right down the top, through that notch. Line up the sight at the end with your target.
Is there anything else I should know?
When you're ready to shoot, make sure you're not breathing too hard. And then hold your breath, right when you pull the trigger.
Like when I'm swimming?
No, just for a quick second. I found that if I did that, I was a lot more accurate. It's tough, but it'll help.
I can do that. Okay.
Good. Don't lock your elbows. Okay, let's take your first shot. Squeeze the trigger smoothly, and I'll cover your ears. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy. Eee!
You okay?
My hands hurt. I don't like this.
Let's stick with it, okay?
Do I have to?
Yeah, you do.
Keep it steady.
Steady now. Almost got it. Okay, a little higher.
Oh, to the left, Clem.
Okay, aim a little bit more to the left. Close. Now keep it steady.
Hey!
I got it.
Excellent. Good shot.
Clementine, keep your hand off the trigger, okay? You just keep that finger off the trigger, alright?
Steady now. Almost got it. There you go. Nice.
Hey!
I did it!
Yeah, you did. Good job.
I was holding my breath, and the gun didn't shake so much.
See, you did good.
They're not walkers, though.
No, far from it. But you know how these things work now. We'll graduate you to walkers one day.
Okay, I feel good.
Not so scary, huh?
Nuh-uh.
Oh, love you, Clementine. Wish you didn't have to grow up like this, but these are the cards we dealt, so we have to go with them. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below. Leave me a comment down below as well, and if you would like to subscribe directly to my personal channel, there should be a link on the screen for you to do that. I guess we're going to see where this train takes us, and I hope to see you guys there.